So NEET 2026 has got cancelled, and this is the press release by NTA, and it says that it'll be reconducted and the dates will be notified separately. Now the question which arises is who is responsible for this kind of misconduct at a national level. This is not at all acceptable by anyone. So the first thing is, we have already seen in 2024 it the NEET paper was leaked, but it was not at the mass level, so it was not cancelled, but it was reconducted for those where the leaked was happened, right? So this was not happened in mass. So this is the thing I told you in my short also. But the thing is, in 2020 2026, the same thing happened. Leaked, it got leaked, that too at a mass level. I talked about the mass level. Now this is at the mass level, that's why it has to be conducted again. That is the reason it is getting reconducted. Now, who is responsible for all these things? I'm not responsible, you are not responsible. Who is responsible? The second point is NTA. This is National Testing Agency, and this is the body, it is a government body, and it comes under Ministry of Education. And the thing is, we have not learned the lesson here. The lesson which should be learned by us, by the government instead, is that they should have learned a lesson when it got leaked in 2024. They should have learned a lesson, and the education minister was to be removed, but not removed. He was still the same in 2026, and this kind of misconduct happened again in the 3 years, and we are not sure if it occurred in 2025 also. We are not sure about that because the paper was so difficult that our main focus was on the difficulty level. We don't know if it got leaked or not, right? So it comes under the Ministry of Education. Then who should be removed? Modi should be removed, or education minister. The education minister could have been removed in 2024 itself, but now not removed. Whose mistake is this? It's a mistake of government, Modi government. So the resignation we want is from Modi now. It is too much that it occurs in mass level. 22 lakh people appeared for that. They are not gonna appear. They are not privileged to go for mock again. The thing is, the fourth thing I want to discuss is about the poor people. They can't afford living outside again in the hostel. They can't pay rent there because it's too high for me also. So how are they gonna do? Like, they can't give mock papers again. The paper, I mean, mock is kind of very important to do during your preparation. It can't be, you can't go out without the mock papers. They can't afford going to the coaching institute again and go for mock again, right? They can't live in the hostel again and pay 12K fees. This is the fees there, 12K to 15K in second tier city. I'm talking about, forget about the first year, but the second year also, the rent is too high to fill. Like, I can't afford it. I don't know about others. The fifth thing which I want to focus is punishment. What is the punishment for those because of which we have to go for another NEET? The punishment should be too brutal for them, because they should be, you know, uh, I mean, I shouldn't say that, but they should be beaten to death like hell. I mean, this is too much. I mean, 22 lakh people is gonna appear again, and I don't know, the mental level for them is for the people who were getting more than 600. Think about those. I mean, we are not sure. No one is sure. Like, in the second one, you're gonna get how much. Maybe they could land up to 530 or the moderate marks. This is not acceptable. Who is responsible for all of that? We want answer from government, or else we should, I mean, I to every time say to not to vote to this government, because a lot of thing, this is the thing which happened to us. think about those things which is, I mean, we are not involved in those. What about those? So the Modi government should definitely answer, and we should remove this government from the authority. I'm telling you, this is the, I mean, you are the people who have voted, right? Your parents have voted this Modi. Now suffer those who have given vote to him. Now I can't say more than this. I don't want to have the political angle to this, but I had to have it because this is the full politics, and they are making rich more richer and poor more poorer. I'm telling you, and just learn a lesson from this. You should also learn a lesson and not to give vote to, the body in, I mean, this body. So that is it. I mean, I'll let you know about the mock paper which I'll make you available for all of them. But for that, I should have 100 subscribers at least. If I won't be having this number of subscriber, I won't be giving you free mock test which I got it from some coaching institute. So I'll make it available free for you guys so that you can prepare free by giving all these mock tests, and I'll make your timetable also, like what should be studying now. Even if you were getting 300, I can make you go up to 590 at least. So this is what my promise to you all, but the thing is, I have to have 100 subscribers for that, otherwise I'll not make it for you all. So thank you very much.